Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to make knitted effect polymer clay earring. Actually you can take any color combination of your choice, but now here I've taken a beige color and a chocolate color. For making these earrings I'm not using any extruders. So what we want to do is make long stripes out of each color clay, and it should be very thin like this as shown in this video. By watching this video, you can find how to make long stripes only using your hands. So this is the method I am using to make long stripes for making this cute little earrings. Do the same procedure with the other color clay. Now our stripes are ready. So what we need to do next is, take one brown strand and a beige strand together and twist them like this as shown in this video to make it into this pattern. So this design will give our earrings to a knitted effect. So this is what we are going to make. After finishing the strands, we need to make the base for the earring. Actually this is a ball shaped earring, so take a little amount of any extra clay, which can be any scrap clay, and make two ball shapes out of any clay, which can be any color because we are covering that with that strands. So you can take any color of your choice or any scrap clay and make two small balls out of that clay. Now cover our balls from the top to the bottom with these twisted strands. To wrap the clay, you can use any polymer clay glue available, but here I am not using any glue because it automatically attaches, because this is not a baked clay, so it will easily attach. This is how our earrings will look like. Repeat the same process with the other earring too. So both are ready now. Now poke a small hole with the help of a toothpick to both the earrings. After making holes, we need to bake the clays. Earrings are ready after baking. Then we can finish our earrings with the help of earrings making toolkit. So let's start by taking the head pin and insert a very small bead at the very bottom. Then insert our knitted ball and cut the desired length out of that head pin. Then make a small loop at the end and insert the earring hook. Ta-da! It's ready now. So this is how our earring will look like. Now let's finish the other one. I hope this was a very simple video of making your own handmade polymer clay earrings. I hope you will enjoy the video. And here it is. This is ready now. Thank you so much for watching.